Welcome to Health Miracles. Vegetable juices are a nutritious and convenient way to boost your health. These juices provide a concentrated dose of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support immune function, skin health, and overall vitality. They are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them an excellent choice for weight management and hydration. Commonly juiced vegetables like carrots, beets, kale, and cucumbers offer specific health benefits. Carrot juice is rich in beta-carotene, promoting eye health, while beet juice supports blood flow and heart health due to its high nitrate content. Kale and spinach juices are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, which strengthen bones and immune health. Cucumber juice, known for its hydrating properties, also supports skin health. Overall, vegetable juices are an easy way to increase your intake of vegetables, helping you to meet your daily nutritional needs while supporting various aspects of your health. In recent years, juicing has become increasingly popular among health-conscious individuals seeking a quick and convenient way to increase their nutrient intake. However, if you're new to juicing, choosing the right vegetables can be a bit challenging. In this video, we'll explore the 12 best vegetables to juice for boosting your overall health. Vegetable juices for good health. 1. Kale. Kale is a versatile leafy green with a mild flavor that mixes well with other fruits and veggies in juices. It's packed with important nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. Raw kale is also rich in antioxidants, such as beta-carotene, which help protect your body from harmful molecules called free radicals that can lead to conditions like heart disease. In fact, drinking kale juice has been shown to improve heart health. One study found that men with high cholesterol who drank 5 ounces 150 milliliters of kale juice daily for 3 months saw a 10% drop in LDL bad cholesterol and a 27% increase in HDL good cholesterol. Overall, kale is high in essential nutrients and has been proven to help lower the risk of heart disease. 2. Cucumber. Cucumber juice is a refreshing and hydrating drink that offers numerous health benefits. Cucumbers are high in water, making their juice an excellent way to stay hydrated and support kidney function. Cucumber juice is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients help with bone health, blood pressure regulation, and overall bodily function. Additionally, cucumber juice contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin. It's often used to soothe the body and support digestion, making it a great choice for a daily health boost. 3. Beets. Beets add a vibrant color and unique flavor to your juice, along with several health benefits. They are packed with important nutrients like manganese, potassium, and folate. Beets are also rich in nitrates, which are natural compounds with strong health benefits. Research shows that drinking beet juice can help lower blood pressure and boost both athletic and mental performance. Plus, the leafy greens from beets, known as beet greens, are also very nutritious and can be included in your juice. Overall, beets are not only tasty but also offer great benefits for heart health, physical performance, and brain function. 4. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a nutritious leafy green packed with vitamins A and C. These vitamins act as antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage. Research suggests that Swiss chard might be especially helpful for people with diabetes. In studies with rats, Swiss chard extract lowered high blood sugar levels by boosting antioxidant levels and affecting the enzymes that regulate insulin. You can add Swiss chard to almost any juice or use it instead of other leafy greens like kale or spinach. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable known for its impressive health benefits. It's full of important nutrients such as potassium and vitamins A, B6, and C. Broccoli also contains a compound called kaempferol, which helps fight harmful free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow down cancer cell growth in lab studies. Recent research has found that eating green vegetables rich in antioxidants like kaempferol may help slow down age-related mental decline. Adding broccoli heads and stems to your juice is a great way to get these health benefits. 6. Carrots. Carrots are a great choice for juicing due to their slightly sweet taste and impressive nutrient content. They are low in calories and packed with vitamin A, biotin, and potassium. Carrots are also rich in carotenoids, which are plant pigments that act as powerful antioxidants. These include beta-carotene, lycopene, alpha-carotene, and lutein. Studies suggest that a diet high in carotenoids may lower the risk of eye diseases, heart disease, and some cancers, like prostate cancer. Carrot juice's natural sweetness pairs well with other fruits and vegetables often used in juices, such as citrus fruits, ginger, and beets. 7. Cabbage. Cabbage might not be the first vegetable you think of for juicing, but it's a nutritious and tasty option. Each serving of cabbage is packed with vitamins K and C, as well as other important nutrients like folate, manganese, and vitamin B6. As a cruciferous vegetable, cabbage is related to other veggies like broccoli, kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Studies suggest that eating more cruciferous vegetables can lower the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and inflammation. Adding cabbage to your juice is a great way to benefit from its high nutrient content and potential health benefits. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a versatile kitchen staple that work wonderfully in juices. They are low in calories and packed with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Tomatoes are also rich in lycopene, a compound linked to a reduced risk of prostate cancer, heart attacks, and strokes. Drinking tomato juice can help reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, and improve male fertility. It may also lower inflammation related to exercise, making it a great choice for athletes. For a refreshing and healthy juice, pair tomatoes with celery, cucumber, and parsley. 9. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that adds a mild, fresh flavor to juices and smoothies. It's rich in vitamins A and C and contains powerful antioxidants like quercetin, kaempferol, and lutein. Spinach also has high levels of nitrates, which benefit heart health. One study showed that consuming spinach for just a week significantly lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, which is important for reducing heart disease risk. Additionally, spinach juice may help with acid reflux due to its antacid properties. 10. Celery. Celery juice has gained popularity in the health world, and for good reason. It's high in water and packed with vitamins A, K, and C, as well as antioxidants like kaempferol, caffeic acid, and ferulic acid. Studies on animals and in test tubes have shown that celery extract can improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. Additionally, celery has strong anti-inflammatory properties that may help protect against chronic diseases. Celery juice can be enjoyed on its own or combined with lemon, apple, ginger, and leafy greens for a delicious, nutritious drink. 11. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass is a highly nutritious ingredient often used in juicing. It provides a wealth of nutrients, including iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and copper, as well as 17 different amino acids, which are essential for building proteins. Wheatgrass also contains chlorophyll, a plant pigment known for its anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties. A study found that taking wheatgrass powder for 10 weeks significantly lowered triglyceride and cholesterol levels, supporting heart health. Wheatgrass juice can be consumed on its own as a shot or mixed into other juices for an extra boost of nutrition. 12. Zucchini. Zucchini juice is a refreshing and nutritious option that's often overlooked. This mild-tasting vegetable is low in calories and high in important nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Zucchini also provides a good amount of antioxidants, including carotenoids and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Drinking zucchini juice can support hydration due to its high water content and may aid in digestion thanks to its fiber content. Additionally, the antioxidants in zucchini may help protect against chronic diseases and support overall health. Its subtle flavor makes it a versatile ingredient that blends well with other fruits and vegetables in juice recipes, enhancing both taste and nutritional value. The bottom line: you can juice a wide variety of vegetables, each offering a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. Mix and match vegetables from the list above to incorporate different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants into your diet. Combining these vegetables with fruits can also enhance both flavor and health benefits. Incorporating vegetable juices into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your overall health. From the nutrient-rich kale and spinach to the antioxidant-packed tomatoes and beets, each vegetable provides unique advantages that support everything from heart health to improved digestion. By selecting a variety of these vibrant vegetables, you can enjoy a delicious and diverse range of juices that meet your daily nutritional needs. Whether you're an experienced juicer or new to the practice, adding these vegetable juices to your routine is a great step toward a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Cheers to your health! Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide to vegetable juices helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. We wish you great health and happiness as you explore the many benefits of incorporating these nutritious vegetable juices into your daily routine. Cheers to your well-being.